Today we're going to be replacing my shop vac fuse. So my vacuum cleaner fuse is broken. These are the fuses I bought off Amazon and some crimps I got from Lowe's, and we're going to fix our shop vac. So here I took out the screws that had the shop vac housing for the battery. Okay, the fuse and the wires are connected. Now I'm going to reconnect it to the switch and power it on and hope for the best. Everything is connected and plugged back in. Here we go.